Good afternoon, sir. So today I'm going to present my slide titled Hormone. Okay, so before we start our presentations, let me make a brief introduction about myself first. My name is Joel, and this is my matriculation numbers at the bottom of the slide. Okay, so firstly, let us take a look on the picture on my slide right here. So as we can see that this guy is having a hard time dealing with his health issues. So we can see that his right hand is holding a small device, and we can call that device as glucometer, which is used to detect the blood glucose level inside our body. So these pictures actually portrays that this guy is suffering from diabetes, also known as hyperglycemia. There are several factors that cause us diabetes. Some of the factors including your inactivity, maybe because of you are a person who seldom exercise, and sometimes it might be caused by your pancreas inside your body, which is malfunctioning. And also it might be caused by your diet you consume daily. Okay, so actually there are two types of hormone that is secreted from our body to regulate the blood glucose level inside our body. So those hormones including insulin and glucagon. But today we are going to focus on only just insulin. So as we can see that insulin is secreted through pancreas. Okay, so let us talk about the function of the insulin. So basically, as we know that insulin helps to regulate the blood glucose level, and what it does inside our body is it actually helps to convert the excess glucose inside our body into glycogen for other usage. So sometimes when our blood glucose level inside our body is too low, so glucagon, which is also secreted from our body, plays an important role to convert the glycogen back to glucose. And this is how our blood glucose level rise up back to the normal. Insulin is quite in demand among the community nowadays. So scientists have found several ways to produce artificial insulin now. So before the day, they use the animal insulins produced by animals, especially cow, to treat people who suffer from diabetes. So they have found that the animal insulins have no relative difference compared to the human insulins. So that's why they use the animal insulins as a normal insulin for medication purpose. And also the modern ways nowadays to produce artificial insulin is by using the recombinant DNA. So this is the procedures that the scientists do in the science lab to produce insulin through recombinant DNA. So firstly, they have to prepare a human insulin gene first. Okay, so after that, they will have to remove a part of the loop of the bacterial DNA, which we call it as a plasmid, and they will insert the human insulin gene into the vacancies right here. Okay. So after that, they will insert the whole plasmid into the recombinant bacterium, and they will place the recombinant bacterium into the fermentation tank for optimum conditions. And after a period of time, the bacteria will replicate and produce more and more insulin for medication purpose. Okay, so that's all for my presentations. Thank you.